Here's a short guide to 3 specific tools on the website MathsBot.com. On launching MathsBot.com, please go to Starters. On this page, there are 3 particular tools that we find useful: matching pairs, quick questions, and starter generator. If I begin with matching pairs. As the name suggests, there will be questions and answers in pairs to be matched. Fortunately, by clicking on the topic, there are 132 different skills available for questions to be generated. For example, if we look at arithmetic, the 4 operations, we can click New Grid and questions and answers will appear. In the top right-hand corner, the difficulty. Leaving it at difficulty 5 will be suitable up to grade B at GCSE. Obviously, if your child finds 5 too difficult, there's no problem starting lower, changing that to 2 and pressing New Grid, and then working our way up, back up to 5. Whilst these terms are in English, your child's maths teacher will be more than happy to direct them should they need help. On the matching pairs, once they are sure of an answer, for example question 2, 70 minus 69, 1, they click on a square or a rectangle, it will disappear, and they can carry on going through this until they've matched all questions with all answers. If we return then to the starter menu, we go to starter generator. This is very similar. It has the same 132 topics available, and it has minimum and maximum difficulty this time. So if we were to click on the arithmetic 4 operations again and create starter, 16 questions will appear for your child to attempt. There is a timer available as well. Nothing happens if this goes down to 0, apart from it says time's up. So your child can practice this for as long as they want to. They're able to click show answers to have all the answers appear at once, or they may click on an individual cell for the answer to appear. If they've got it incorrect, if they click the circular arrow on the top left of that cell, another question will appear at the same level of difficulty. And then the third one, if we return to the MathsBot starter menu, will be quick questions. This again is very, very similar. The same 132 skills. So I'm going to choose 4 operations again. Minimum and maximum difficulty. But this time, on the left-hand side, they can choose how many questions and how many seconds per question. So I've chosen 4 operations. I'm going to press new questions. And there's a timer at the bottom of the screen. If they're ready to move on, there's nothing wrong with them clicking the right arrow if they know the answer quickly enough. And when it gets to the end, they can click to reveal all the answers and mark themselves. Now, of these 3 skills, we would usually start with matching pairs. Given that there are questions and answers, it can help students to gain confidence, knowing that the answer is somewhere available for them. We'd go from matching pairs to the starter generator at the next step up, because the answers are not visible to them. they have to derive the answers themselves. And once they're confident in deriving those answers, then we would move to quick questions, because that will build their fluency, the speed of their answers. Those would be the 3 skills on MathsBot.com that we would use. However, this website has much more, so if you do have time, there's plenty more available on this website. And what's best, it's all free.